2016 Mercedes GLE. This has come in for a bit of an upgrade. So it's been in a few times. We initially done the subwoofer, then we added the 4-channel Kenwood amp in. Obviously now he's opted in to change from the original speakers, which are these ones down here, to your aftermarkets, which are your Audison APK 165s, and he's just changed the front doors on this. So we'll go through, we'll show you where the amp was placed again, which is just under here. So if we come around to the front of the vehicle now, what we'll do, we'll play you a song which will show you obviously the difference between the music. So if we turn the music on now, big difference. Picked up quite loud. The bass is coming through now. Obviously he's just going to be doing the rear speakers left, but in all comparison probably doesn't need it, to be fair. It's very loud in terms of the unit. Obviously we've also put CarPlay on here, so obviously we have the CarPlay through here. Obviously we can press the back button to obviously go through the menus on your screen. We have the ability for Waze, we have the ability for Spotify, also things like Safari, Safari Maps, calling, music features, stuff like that. 3 most recently used apps on the far left, which will be 1 for maps, 1 for phone calls and music in, and 1 for messaging or anything like that. Obviously if we scroll all the way to the far left, it will give us a split screen, which will be maps and music all in one place. Obviously to control through the unit, obviously we're going to be scrolling the scroller down here. So we're going to be scrolling the scroller, which will allow us to move through. As you can see, it's completely wireless all through here. Obviously you have the option for a wired connection if you do so.